Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have been watching me, you have noticed that I love natural things. I love pine cones, anything you find in nature, dried flowers. Oh, I love dried flowers. So today I have this pot, this old pot that I found, and I want to create some kind of holiday themed, yet very natural type of just a piece. I don't know, you can call it centerpiece if you want to. It's going to be very experimental. First thing I want to do is I want to take a bunch of ribbon and fold them so, and just glue them to the sides of my pot so that we have some kind of, starter base. Now let's take some skewers that I got from a Dollarama, and I'm gonna split them in half. We don't need them to be that long. And at the ends of it, you can even cut it if you want to. And let's glue gun the pine cones to the ends of it and let it dry so that it's nice and stable. And let's do the same thing with the holiday decorations you want to use. So remove this part and just glue gun onto the stick. Now that we have a bunch of sticks, elements on sticks, let's try to assemble them all together. Start with the biggest ones first. Now let's take our shiny thing and kind of wrap it around and continue sticking all of the other elements inside. So I have added more of these fuzzies. I'm not sure what they are called. I think it looks pretty awesome. What do you guys think? It's such an interesting combination of natural and Christmassy. So I hope you like it. So for the last thing, what I want to do is I want to add some kind of like snowy effect. So I'm gonna take white acrylics, and with this, let's go over some of the pine cones to add kind of like a snowy frosted look. Here's the finished piece. I hope you enjoyed doing this, and let me know what you think about this. And please follow, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much. See you next time.